Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi, I'm Nurul Avadatis Sulha from SMP Nurul Quran Aceh Besar. Let's hear a story about the legend of Lake Toba, the folklore from North Sumatra. Long, long ago, there was a poor young man named Toba. One afternoon, he went fishing at the river. He waited long enough just to catch one fish, but unfortunately, he couldn't catch any fish. Just before he decided to go home, a fish suddenly caught the bait. He was happy when he saw a very pretty goldfish hanging at the bait. The young man rushed home to cook the fish. He put the goldfish on the basin, and he remembered. Oh no! I ran out of firewood. I have to collect the firewood from the backyard and go back to the kitchen to cook the fish. I am starving. When he was back, he surprised that the goldfish had gone. Instead, he found the basin was full of gold. He confused and went to his room. He surprised when he saw a very pretty woman inside his room. Then he said, "Who are you, oh beautiful lady? Where did you come from? Why are you in my house?" "I was your goldfish, and the gold coin on the table are the embodiment of my scare." "I think I am dreaming. Are you staying with me, oh beautiful lady?" "Do you want me to stay with you? I'm so thankful that you saved me from the curse." "Then will you be my wife, oh beautiful lady?" "Well, I'm willing to be your wife, but with one condition. You should not bring up the origin of me, that the fish incarnation." "That was easy. I agree with that condition. I will never reveal that you were a fish." Soon they were married. Time passed so quickly for this happy couple. Then they had a son named Samosir. After the age of 6, Samosir turned into a very difficult, naughty boy. His mother often told him to deliver his father's lunch on the field, but he always refused. It was always the mother who should bring the food for his father. Until one day, "My dear son, could you help me just this one day? I don't feel well. Please deliver this food for your father." "Mother, I'm playing with my friend. I do not want to." "Please help me just this one day." "Okay, mother." On the way to the field, Samosir stopped and played with his friend. He was hungry after playing, so he ate his father's lunch. It was only a leftover for his father. Meanwhile, Toba was waiting at the rice field and wondering why his wife didn't come to deliver the lunch for him. He kept waiting. After a while, Samosir arrived with the empty box on his land. His father take the lunch box right away. He was surprised when he saw what inside the box. "Samosir, what is this? Where's my lunch? Have you eaten it?" "Sorry, Dad. On my way here, I felt hungry, so I ate your meal." The father was furious because he waited for a long time with hunger and weariness. Then he slapped Samosir. Indeed, patience has limit. You are outrageous. This is because your mother spoiled you. You are a son of fish. Oh, stop it, mother. I'm deeply sorry. Samosir cried and ran back into the house. When he was at the house, he asked his mother, is it true what his father said, that he was a son of fish? Mother, is it true what my father said, that I'm a son of fish? His mother shocked to hear his question. She tearfully hugged Samosir and said that his father has broke his oath. Your father has broke his oath by telling the origin of me. Now you run up to the hill. The huge flood will soon come. Run, Samosir, run. The sky became dark. Lightning followed by heavy rain. Samosir and his mother disappeared without any trace. The mother turned into a fish while Samosir was at the island. The big water came and changed the place into a lake. His father cannot save himself. He died sinking into the lake. Gradually, people now call the lake as Lake Toba, the largest lake in Indonesia. We can learn from this story that we have to keep our promise and we must try our best to control our emotion. The end. Thank you everyone for hearing my story. That was the storytelling for me. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.